Hi, I'm Brad. I'm also Facebook, Mid-Ohio Valley Superman, or Instagram at RockyF150. This is my Kyberlight package. I pledged the Grandmaster level, which I believe is the same as the Master level, it's just times 2. This is how it was shipped. This is how it arrived, let's put it that way. This box was loose. I'm assuming that it was in between here at one point, but it made it here, so no big deal. Just grab the side cutters and open this up. Okay, these smaller boxes. Ooh. There's the gloves and the light up t-shirt, along with a whole host of goodie accessories. Oh yeah, they look nice. They look nice. Same deal on this, the smaller box. It's got the shipping order there with all the stuff on it. The boxes are really nice, by the way. They fit real snug. Ah, it's taped, that's why it's not coming loose. If I'd have looked that over previously, I would have had that figured out. Oh yeah. Feels really good. I'm excited to start mixing and matching these accessories here. They've got everything really well packed, or you guys have everything really well packed. Pop the lid on the other one here. Be sure to do what they say and charge them up fully before using. That one's not taped. Yep, there it is. So, thank you, Kyberlight. I'm excited to charge these bad boys up and start mixing and matching and making the perfect blade for me. Thank you.